The McLeod Street Clutch Kit is a perfect fit for any late 01 to 04 GT or Mach 1 owner, or any 99 to 04 Cobra owner who's pushing up to 300 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque at the crank with their daily driver or weekend warrior. Now this clutch is a perfect option for the street as a direct OEM replacement. The installation for a clutch is obviously going to be labor intensive, no doubt, and it's definitely a tough task, so expect full 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Every daily driver at some point will need a new clutch, especially if you beat the crap out of your car on a daily basis, which, let's be honest, we all normally do. Now this is a perfect upgrade for everyone with a mildly modded or bone stock street car pushing up to 300 horsepower and torque at the most, which is what this clutch will handle. Now the street clutch here from McLeod, a seriously trusted name in clutch technology, grabs gears perfectly and reliably every time. Now I had a similar clutch handling up to 450 horsepower on my 95 Cobra, and I have absolutely no complaints at all. I loved that clutch. Now this kit offers an organic faced friction disc, a firmer pressure plate here with a bone stock OEM clutch pedal feel, making it completely perfect for daily commutes. Now if you know you're going to be pushing more than 300 horsepower anytime soon, then you might want to check out the next one in line, which would be the McLeod Street Pro Clutch, rated for 350 to 400 horsepower. That way you can give yourself some wiggle room. Now if you're keeping it as a nice street car under 300, this is absolutely perfect, and it only costs around 300 bucks. The kit comes with the pressure plate, the clutch disc, throwout bearing and pilot tool, as well as the alignment tool. Now as for fitment, the 2001 GT model year was split in half, so you want to make sure you've got the late 01 model, which was produced from the middle of the production year to the later end of the year, so you want to make sure you're picking up the right one. Early GTs of that year, dubbed as the mid-01 options, have slightly different transmission setups, so you want to have a different clutch kit, and obviously they're set up for you in the category to help you choose what's right for you. Now you want to make sure you're taking a look at your production time, which you can find on the VIN sticker inside the door frame. The installation again is extremely labor intensive. You need to drop the transmission to get the job done, and you'll need your entire toolbox on deck to tackle it, as well as mechanical expertise and some experience. Expect about 4 hours from start to finish if you've got the know-how to do this one yourself. If not, there's no shame handing it over to a professional to get done properly. Overall, 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter for sure. Just to wrap this one up, if you're the owner of a late 01 to 04 GT or Mach 1 or a 99 to 04 Cobra, you might want to check out the McLeod Street Clutch Kit, which is available right here at AmericanMuscle.com.